This is Kurkure. It's controversial because parents think it has a plastic and kids love it. But it was made by PepsiCo to end the difference between adult snack and kid snack. Now adults love namkeen and kids love chips. So this little packet over here is the middle ground between chips and namkeen. So when launched in 1999, people loved the texture and the taste, and it was super crunchy too. It appealed to all classes of people because it came in 5 rupees packet and 20 rupees packet. So next time you eat Kurkure, remember this business lesson. Find out what's missing in market and introduce your product.